As the schools in Pakistan and across the globe temporarily shut doors, we must do what we can to adopt this situation. So, we are searching for effective and engaging ways to continuously provide our students learning outside the four walls of the classroom. This is their chance to learn their way. All of us are struggling with the drastic adjustments in our daily routines. However, we must try to establish a sense of normalcy for our children. We must set routine that would help them feel secure and engaged, so they don't spend their time in activities that may be detrimental for them. We must do everything we can to minimize academic loss and keep them on track. We are focusing to minimize the negative impact and turn the situation into an opportunity to engage students through the use of technology. Children must be thinking that schools are closed and they can't learn if they can't go to school, and they can't see their friends or do fun activities with them. It's time to give them a positive mindset by letting them know that it's a unique opportunity to learn new skills and try something they have never done before. They can stay connected with their friends and teachers if they put their mind to it. They can solve problems by using technology in innovative ways. Our first term has been completed successfully, and we support to continue these remote learning sessions through use of e-learning strategies, assigning reading and exercises for home study, broadcast of academic content, assigning teachers to conduct remote daily and weekly follow-up with students. During introductory live sessions, students must dress appropriately, minimize background noise, and participate fully. Attendance and participation is not mandatory for our introductory live sessions because we realize that there may be limitations such as internet access and device availability. However, we must emphasize that students make every effort to attend. In this remote learning session, we will be covering the remaining course content for this academic year, and so completion and submission of the assignment and assessment is mandatory for all students. Submitted assignments will be assessed, but we emphasize that submitted work must be authentic and attempted by the students. Let's have a look at our previous remote learning session. We are thankful to all parents who worked with us as a team. Without your cooperation, it was not possible for us to achieve our targets. Please visit our website for information, homeworks, online class timetables, updates, and useful links. Please feel free to call, email, or contact the administration for any help and support that you may require. We hope that this video has been able to answer most of your questions with regards to remote learning. We are also hopeful that the upcoming session will accomplish the goal of course completion. Dedication of our hardworking admin and teaching staff is imperative for our success. Let us pause here and find a moment of peace as we lift up our hands together in prayer. O Allah, O Healer, heal those who are sick with the virus and protect those who care for us. Stay with us and comfort us in times of fear. You are a light that shines in the darkest times. In place of anxiety, give us your peace. Move our hearts to acts of generosity. May we be led to share what we have with those in need. Keep us strong in faith, hope, and love. Ameen, Ya Rabbul Alameen.